Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday, last second trading day of the week. And like I say, if there's any new trades or closing trades, I will update you through this video channel, right? Okay, and yesterday, Meta, which is the mother company of Facebook, there was a trigger to buy, but like I say, due to risk management, I can't get in. Today it went down, and I managed to do my risk management, and I managed to make open position on Meta. So I'm recording this video just to update you, right? Okay, and let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. We can see over here S&P, Nasdaq, or even Dow Jones are being sold off quite strongly, especially like S&P is down roughly 1.6%, and even Nasdaq is down more than 2%, right? Okay, and with Dow Jones almost down by 1%. So today is a pretty much strong sell-off compared with the past 2 to 3 weeks, right? Okay, this is one of the strongest down day for the past almost 3 weeks, right? Okay, so yeah, we can see that my portfolio mostly went down, right? Okay, and mostly in the red, including Apple, Microsoft, and things like that. A new trade on Meta was able to execute just now, right? Okay, now it's down a little bit more, right? Like I say, mentioned yesterday, because it has went up quite a bit after the trigger price, and I couldn't get in. But today, because it has came down, not hitting my stop loss, I could actually make a trade, right? Okay, and I did make a trade following this stop loss, giving some allowance as well, right? So you can see over here, Meta, Facebook, I actually traded. Now it's in a slight loss because after I traded, it continued to go down, right? Okay, but end of the day, I'm just following the profit signal, right? It's a buy following my stop loss. So yeah, I still put in the trade, right? Another thing here is that I suspect the market correction is that today might last for another 1 or 2 days until the election is over, right? Because normally when it's nearing the election, especially just a few days away, less than a week away, normally the markets are having a lot of uncertainty about the election, who is going to win and things like that. And because of that, right, normally when market has uncertainty, there's fear, right? Okay, yeah, that's normally the case, and because of that, we can see that the market is being sold off. People want to sell off their shares, and after the election, when more certainty is coming back into the markets after the election, right, then the market, people will start coming back in, right? Okay, so based on what we see here, I think it's a really normal thing before the election, and election still a few days away, so likely this correction may continue for 1 or 2 more days, right? Okay, going forward. So next week we will have a better idea, right? Okay, but definitely I do see that my portfolio wise might suffer a little bit, right? Okay, in the sense that over here you can see my equity now is down to below 4,800, right? Below 4,800, and my running equity, running profits is now roughly only about $20, right? Okay, so one thing to note is Visa, right? Visa actually did almost hit my take profit, and I did mention yesterday in my video that I wanted to, if it's very near, right, I might just take the profit. I miss it again, right? After market open, I was busy with my other personal accounts, and I didn't do anything to this, which is a waste, right? Because somewhere around here, like $296, if I took profit, it will have given me a very good, decent, big profit for this account, right? Okay, instead of right now, right, you can see over here, Visa is still back to $28, right? Could have been $30 over, right? Could have been $30 over. But yeah, since the opportunity is missed, right? I might just wait another round, right? Okay, and see how it goes. Tomorrow, Amazon is announcing earnings, right? Okay, it almost hit my take profit for this trade, but it didn't. Now it's coming back down, back almost at my entry point. In fact, I went in slightly higher than my entry point, because by the time I saw it, right, okay, on this day, it was already slightly higher, right, okay. But now I still have my stop loss intact, right. So we will see how tomorrow goes, right. Even if it hit my stop loss, it's okay, right, okay. It's only a small loss, right, okay. Basically, overall, I feel like the market, like I say again, I'm still also waiting for Coca-Cola and Vodafone to trigger, but they are not triggering. Definitely, I don't think they will trigger by this week, right. Which I will monitor until next week, right, okay. So yeah, Microsoft did come down, but not before it hit my stop loss yesterday, right, okay. So it does happen, right, which I already show you the small loss, right, okay, only $10 but it does happen. But I do have a trade on Microsoft on the upside here, right, okay. And because it came down, my profits reduced a lot, right, okay. And of course, overall portfolio not so good, but still following the strategy, right. There are ups and down, right. It's during the ups, and we are always happy when it is up, right, okay. So but when it's down, we must always stick to our strategy and see how it goes, right, because the strategy is all about taking small losses and maximizing our profits in our wins, so that we make bigger profits in our wins to cover our small losses, right, okay. And the way I see it, the indices, like I say again, might continue for even for tomorrow Friday, right. But tomorrow Friday, I'll be going on a long weekend, right. I'm going to Batam and enjoying my long weekend until Sunday. So even if there's any trades, I might record it only on Monday, right, okay. So that's my so-called in advance notice to you, right, okay. And happy trading. I hope you are not affected too much by the selling today, right. And may the profits be with you, and I'll see you next week in my next update. See you soon.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.